miles are distant, visions away, I could be home where I fit in. I'm reminiscing about the days when we didn't care. Two dirty kids with no shoes and long hair. No car, a front porch and two chairs. No place to go, yo, and no way to get there. Cause Cali women be the best I've seen. They be the best I've seen. They be the best I've seen. And Cali weed be the brightest green. It be the brightest green. It be the brightest green.